In this video, we will look at the mechanical advantage of using an inclined plane. We can determine the force required to raise a 1,000 pound block at a height of 3 feet. For the same weight, we can determine the force required to raise it at a height of 3 feet, but this time using an inclined plane. If we look at the first case, we will have the weight of the block and the force required to raise it at a height of 3 feet. We know the force is going to equal to the weight, which will be the 1,000 pounds. Now if we look at the inclined plane, we'll have the same height and the length of 8 feet in our angle theta. The block will have a weight, and we will break up the perpendicular and parallel components of the weight. And lastly, we will draw the required force to raise this block. We will need the sine theta, which gives us 0.375. We know the force will equal to W sine theta, and we can determine the force to be the 375 pounds required to raise the block using an inclined plane. Now we will compare the mechanical advantage of the first case to the second case. The mechanical advantage will simply be the load over the effort. For the first case, it will be the weight over the force, which is just going to be 1.0. For the second case, it will be 2.7. And from this, we can conclude the inclined plane provides a greater mechanical advantage.